I'm Shannon Becker, Joplin News First, powered by 4State's homepage. Just a few minutes before 4 o'clock Saturday afternoon, Joplin Police Dispatch alerted to a motorcycle, an SUV crash at 32nd and South Connecticut. A motorcycle collided with an SUV. Critical injuries, rushed trauma to a local hospital. Sergeant Jared Delzell, the Joplin Police Department, he's the head of the major crash team. He told us at the scene that the motorcycle operator, a 24-year-old male, died at a local hospital. As they investigate this crash, he did tell us also that the next of kin have been notified. They'll be investigating this crash throughout the evening and moving those vehicles to a private area as they'll continue that investigation. We'll update our story. If you tap your screen, it'll take you to 4State's homepage for more details throughout the weekend. Joplin News First is sponsored by Wood & Peterson, neoshoattorney.com on the web. Joplin News First, powered by 4State's homepage in partnership with KSN 16 Local News and KODE 12 Action News. Remember, live breaking Joplin News First.